AC work on this?
Oh yeah.
Good shit, dude. It's pretty much all engine noise right now. It sounds pretty good though.
Sure cheers. Hope it's rowdy's fun.
Alright. So you got this little puppy right here. Little side exit exhaust, just a cat with what is this? Maybe like a 1 inch and a half, maybe pipe just welded on. It's right there, and it just goes right up the side. So we'll see what this fucking thing sounds like. Should be dope.
This thing's gonna be a beast.
Disgusting. It's V8 worthy, man. It's like,
You saying V8 worthy?
maybe.
Alright, maybe. He said, alright, go ahead. What? The acoustics in there made it so loud. I had to stop you blow my freaking mic recording it.
Oh my gosh, loud though, right? Like,
Yes.
Is there any like, if I ran it without the exhaust, would it do any damage to the engine?
No. Fucking, that's definitely legal. How loud that is. That is yeah. There's a you didn't know there's a limit.
It's a noise ordinance or whatever.
Yeah, there's a
Miata doing a noise over it.
there's a legal decibel limit to it. Yours is already probably passes it. Really, how it is.
Yeah, that's true. It does set off alarms all day.
Yeah.
Dude, that
Even
shit
when
was-
I'm on the main road, I'll be setting off
Wow.
alarms at
Yeah.
Applebee's and shit.
But damn. But tell me though, that didn't go like that went from a little girl to a fucking man, just like that.
That's fucking stupid loud, dude.
Yeah, V8 loud, isn't it?
It's
Yeah,
because
no.
we're in the garage.
Yeah, no. Yeah, if you pulled it out, obviously not as loud, but no, that was fucking. No, bro,
I'm about
fuck
to turn off
no.
my shit, bro.
I could not handle that. No, fuck that.
See that shit shooting fire.
Alright, this is take 2.
Take 2. Don't red light it this time. That's loud as shit. That was
That
like
was at $3,000.
that was $3,000, dude. That was ridiculously loud. Fuck no, dude. Okay, just put this pipe on, dude. Come on, put it on. It's gonna sound so good with it.
I
dude.
know, I want to see so bad. I'm curious.
Man, dude, I want to get one like that
Like all you get, like that's what I'm saying. Look, you go to a shop, and then from where that area would be, just have them cut it and put off to the side. So it's a little shorter. It's gonna be a
shit.
little
How much
louder.
is that shit gonna cost?
Probably like $100.
You know what I was telling
If
them though?
that.
On Haggard Garage, I mean, shout out to Haggard Garage. They actually cut off this piece and then literally just welded a pipe straight to it.
Yeah.
So there's no resonator.
Yeah. But he doesn't even have one though, so
Mhm.
all you have to do is have them like weld that, like a shorter pipe like that, and come off to the side too if you want one. Or have them split it to a Y so it's on both sides, you know?
Oh, that would be.
It would
dirty.
reduce a little more of the sound than that, but it would sound dope.
It'd crackle.
You think it still shoot fire though?
Oh, definitely. If it shoots
Dude.
fire now, you shorten the pipe,
Yeah,
it's gonna
it's
shoot fire.
It's gonna literally spit. It's gonna be a dragon.
Yeah.
If anything.
Hey, if you turn it on right now, will it spit? I probably won't see it as well.
Nah.
Yeah. I got check. Okay, so I'm gonna show you right now this clip of this fucking mini shooting fucking flames in broad daylight. You ready?
It's on. It's on. I put it.
Fuck you.
Is that me or?
No, it's like dirt. You gonna lift it? Huh? Boy, there you go.
Oh yeah.
There should be like some like nuts or bolts or whatever you can remove to bolt it up. Cause the OEM hanger is nowhere near the hanger that's on that thing. See,
Oh yeah, right here, brother.
you see some bolts there?
Right there.
Yeah, you're supposed to take those off and line it there.
Yep. That's perfect, bro. It will. It's gonna be like a chihuahua. A lot of bark, no bite. Should we put on this first?
Put what on first?
Oh, the brace? Yeah, I probably should put the brace on first.
Let's put the brace on then.
Fuck you, boy. I was expecting that shit to be heavy as hell.
No, it's pretty thin.
Sounds like how mine used to.
There you go.
It's a little bit more ricey, but I don't even want to redline it. It's gonna be too loud. Should I? Here, get out of the garage real quick.
We're gonna get the acoustics out of here. That's fucking obnoxious, dude. Holy shit. Are your parents home right now?
No.
Oh, okay, I'm surprised they're not saying anything.
It's definitely a little bit more ricey than it was, but it sounds sick still.
It backfires,
It
dude.
sounds like how mine used to sound.
Yeah.
Remember?
Really?
Yeah, before I fucking got all ricey somehow.
Does it still sound ricey, or does it sound like?
I think it sounds
it
alright.
sounds clean.
It's a 1.6, dude. Like, you know.
It's a 1.8.
Oh, it's a 1.8. Oh, okay. Well, I thought this was a 90.
It's a 94.
Oh.
Damn. Well, project done.
Yeah, dude.
Next.
Yeah, if like if you want it to sound even louder, dude, all you gotta do is get rid of that fucking cat.
Yo, that shit will be a beast.
Yeah. Get rid of the cat. You know, get rid of the cat and then just weld straight pipe from there, and then it'll sound pretty good. You just need more pipe, cause all that pipe added a little bit more resonating.
Yeah.
But it backfires when
You
you.
can drill holes in it. So excited.
Oh shit.
These little ass.
Legit.
Is that what you've been jamming on?
Hell yeah.
Dude.
I said there's no running from past that.
Yep. Let's see, it's like, however, you can adjust it.
Like, that's exactly how my
Oh, that's the 4K. Sounds way cleaner though, that's for sure. I like it. Makes it sound faster. I think it sounds decent, honestly. I'm about to flip a bitch. I'll just run it. So let's get fucking moves. I'm about it, shit.
Sounds pretty good. This thing's so much fucking louder than that, it's stupid. There's like no fucking pipe on that.
What the fuck?
Yeah, dog. So, explain what you're doing today in the chop shop, Taylor.
Well, my exhaust keeps hitting my differential, so I'm trying to stop it from rattling like a damn fucking bitch.
A damn
So,
Like a damn sack of rice.
yeah, I'm gonna stick this shit right up in there, see if it stops.
The heat shield from fucking the other Miata over there.
Yeah.
Alright, my battery's almost dead, so do it.
Ow, fuck, this shit's hot.
You got some gloves, you fucking poon?
I need to hit it up in there. Come on, just go in there. There we go.
That you won't wanna get on.